your friend Vaibhav, and welcome to on my YouTube channel, Hedged Horizon. So, in past videos, I have uploaded my trading strategies. So, from today onwards, we are going to create a portfolio of somewhere between 3.5 lakhs, and we are going to trade in this segment. So, I'm not going to show my entire portfolio to you. I'm basically going to fetch my portfolio on website called Trend. It is a kind of a trendline.com website. It is an authentic website on which basically I will fetch my portfolio. Okay, so you can see this. It is Hedged Horizon written over there. So if we talk about, basically I'm having two accounts. Currently it's showing somewhere between 7,32,000. I think it is less amount. Basically, currently I am trading with a huge capital. No. Oh, this is right. Okay. So currently I have taken some of my positions pledged, and I have also taken MTF trades. I use Angel One. This is my Angel One account I'm showing to you. This is KS one account 3,34,000, in which I have invested somewhere between 2 lakhs, and rest of the amounts is being pledged, or we have taken an MTF trade. Currently I'm having a trade of Nestle India. Sorry. Nestle India. Currently, I have bought the futures of Nestle India of this number, and my expectations is quite high to get a good return. So let me show you. Currently, I am having some of my good positions, means leverage position which I have taken in MTF. In FM, is it those stocks which I have bought are in FMCG sector. Sorry, basically need good sector. As you can see, this is Dabur. What are the reasons I have bought the Dabur? I have invested somewhere between, let me show you. Let's change this thing with amount. Okay. So I have invested. It is MTF trade 2,54,000. In MTF, I have bought Hindustan Unilever, 1,16,000 Nestle India, and 64,000 Dabur. And I am also having a position in Nestle of a future. Okay. So let's discuss. Sorry. I'm having a cold. Yesterday, the GDP data of India has been come. Expected growth was slow, and we have got the GDP data of 5.5%. So I am thinking to shift towards private sector investment. Basically, private sector investments, companies like IRCTC, in which the government will spend money. Okay, so you can see this is Dabur India stock. I have bought this stock at 525, and let me make them call 525, somewhere between this. Okay, and my expected target is somewhere to fill this gap in next 2 months. Easily in next 2 months, it can easily come where it can easily cross 16%. It's not myth. I will show you how I am saying this thing. If we see Nifty, because from today onwards is the day where there is not going to be a weekly expiry in the market. So Nifty is somewhere between around this position. 24,271. So I am showing you 4-hour chart. Basically, I see 4-hour charts. Don't follow this trend line, it's quite risky. But this gap up somewhere between 25,000 to 7,000. I am thinking that market will within month will cover this position. And in FMCG sector, it can easily go on there. So I have position in, I am expecting the returns of 16%, and I will tell you, don't trick or don't just copy these strategies. These strategies are, or these stock pickings are based on the risk factor, because in MTF trade you have to give somewhere between 10 to 15% brokerage, or I say interest to your broker. So you can just calculate based on 15%, the total amount which I have borrowed, it will cost me around 57,000 per year commission interest which I need to pay. So if we see 6%, 6% is the not max loss. I am not going to take the loss with 6%. I can take it somewhere between this position. 3.99% is the max loss which I can take. So let's calculate how much we can make in this position. We have total bought the quantity of 121. Okay. And our expected returns. Sorry, this mail is open. Sorry. 122. Let's take 122. And the points are somewhere between 85. So multiply by 85. 10,350 rupees. And I have invested somewhere between 67,000. So this is going to be happened. The next stock which I have picked is HUL. I have picked this stock too fast, but it's okay. HUL is a good company. Last time the Fibonacci, you can see this Fibonacci retracement. Last time it has also taken this retracement. I'm thinking that this time it also take this thing. Basically, trading is not all technicals. Trading is psychology and past trading strategies which we see. It is a kind of efficiency in the market, weak efficiency or strong efficiency or semi-strong efficiency. All these are core concepts of finance. In dash, let's see. So I have bought HUL at the price of 2490. Let me make a long 2490. Let me take. And what are the expectations we can just take? So as you can see, this is going to be our stop loss, 2.44%, 2.44%. And what are the targets? First target will be around 2564, and next target will open somewhere between 2667. And after that, sky is the limit. We will take also a 2-month horizon in this company, and if we'll achieve the target, we will got somewhere between 179 points. Okay, and how much quantity we have by 100. So 179 multiplied by 102, somewhere between 18,000. So return percentage wise, 18,554. Somewhere between 7.5%. And the rate of interest which I need to give on this amount is 38,000 per year. If it divide by this thing, 3,400. So every month I need to give 3,400 rupees. So before taking a MTF trade, you need to discuss these things. These are the core concepts, and no one is going to tell you. Okay. And this is position in Nestle India. Sorry. You can see this trade, or you can see this chart. If we just open this 1 day time frame horizon, you can see there's so much fluctuation, and this point is a quite a in a 22 August 2023, Nestle was trading at the same price. So my expectations is quite high. Okay. Today Nestle was trying to break the record, but it's not going to be happen so easily. So at what price we have bought Nestle? Somewhere between 2271. 2271, this point. If we draw Fibonacci retracement, basically the levels are going to be created by Fibonacci. Okay, let's check this thing. If we draw this thing, it's showing Fibonacci. Let's take a bigger view of Fibonacci retracement. If you want to learn how to use Fibonacci retracement, you just comment below. I will make a detailed video of Fibonacci, not a Fibonacci strategy or not a Fibonacci that usually people do trading. I make a complete guide of Fibonacci retracement. You can see there is a resistance somewhere around this. I become so greedy that I have not bought this position at this point. So our first target will be this 5.27%, 190 quantity, and 51 bought. Okay, you can calculate easily. Today I am having a position. I bought IRCTC. I bought this position in early in the market. I was expecting that it would fall, but after a certain period it will fall. So I bought this position somewhere between 1816 or 1869.50. This is the time when I bought, and after that IRCTC fall somewhere between 1% or half of 1%. After that it bounced. It has taken the bounce. You can see this Fibonacci retracement. It's the time to invest in a public sector company. Basically, the revenue of railway is not going to be close. And in morning, the gold fell 1%. And there is a strategy called we need to invest in gold. If you can see some of the stocks which I'm having Aavas Finance. I love this stock. I'm having a stock which I am having. Let me show you the max loss which I am taking. SW Solar. I'm currently having 12% loss and invested 31.27. Indovids 10% loss. Bloom Industries 6% loss. 5 Paisa 5.4% loss. Alpha ETFs 5.4. Astral 4%. Silver 1.6. Next morning on Tuesday it will be in positive because silver was bullish. You can see. Next is another position. Let's see I'm making profit or not. Adani Energy. I'm making 19%. And let me show you when I bought Adani Green. This is the chart of Adani Green. I bought Adani Green at this point. Somewhere between this position. This candle I bought. Adani Green I bought around 676. 676. Somewhere between this. And after this huge rally was, I've invested 17,000. It was around 19%. I bought also good stock. I have exited in stock called Marcus Pharma. It was my blunder to exit this position, but I had fucking exited this position. It was my worst mistake which I can see because I have exited this stock at this position 323. I will show you my portfolio in past history, and after that stock has given a tremendous rally. I have booked somewhere around profit in this. I have entered in this stock at somewhere this position, and I make around 23 to 25% returns. So as you can see, let's see, and this is my market divisions. I have invested 4,31,000 in FMCG sectors. We will discuss more strategies and more things. Hello friends, how are you?